Yo, what's up, guys? I already got my seat belts. This thing is heavy. I think it's really heavy. So let's see what's in here, because I am very excited. That thing actually weighs a good amount. Oh, damn, it's so hard trying to open this thing with one hand. Let's see. I hope I didn't cut. Imagine if I just cut the seat belts. I'd cry, guys. Okay, so I know you guys saw what color I had gotten, and in case any of you guys are wondering why I got purple, it just, I don't know. It got my attention. Come on, damn it! It got my attention a lot, the purple, and I think people are gonna like them. So it came from California. So I had ordered it. I think that the day I uploaded the video is when I had ordered this. It was supposed to get here Monday, but it came like 2 days. In two or 3 days it came. So I'm really surprised. That was fairly quick. So here we go. They're not an expensive brand. So $40 the pair. So bear with me. And again, guys, if any of you want to contact me or any of that stuff, you know, get the stickers, support me, or just talk to me, it's cool. I'm gonna leave my personal Instagram, my YouTube channel Instagram, and my Snapchat. I'm gonna leave it in the description so you guys can add me, talk to me. People that are wondering how I look, just don't get scared when you see me. It'll be available in the description. So right now I'm inside because it's raining outside right now, kind of cold. So let me open this box. Okay, so first off, these colors are beautiful. They're amazing, guys. These do not feel like a crappy quality. They actually feel really good. They feel like really, really high quality. They're called Tanaka. They were $47 a pair. Comes for decals. So I'll see where I can put at least one. Come with these bolts so we can put them down. So right now we're gonna see how they look. We're gonna put it on my gaming chair. Okay, guys. So it would basically kind of like this, but better. It would look kind of like this. It would be bolted onto the side. And it would kind of come. It'd be like this. It would basically look like this. Actually looks pretty nice. They'll be bolted on the back, somewhere on the floor, and they'll be bolted on the sides. Okay, guys, so I have the seats right here. The seat belts. I'm gonna go pick up the seats. I'm just gonna load them up. They're over there. Load them up. I have to take my cousin to the doctor, but as soon as I'm done taking him, we're gonna go straight to my mechanic's house and get everything put on. Oh yeah, guys. My truck is gonna be sexy on the inside. You don't even know. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pick up my cousin from school, take him to doctor to get his results or whatever they are, and then we're gonna get these bad boys put on. Oh yeah, and these. Oh, I'm freaking excited, guys. We just stopped real quickly just to get some food as we're going to the doctor's office, and I decided to put the seatbelts on the seat, guys. Just because we've been getting a lot of attention. He just dabbed. So this is how they look. They look badass, I swear, guys. They look freaking amazing. So yeah, let me go get some. No, don't be stepping. Oh, what's up, guys? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Damn. Super dirty and clean at the same time. Okay, guys, we're here. What is your? Okay, guys, we're here at the mechanics. I feel weird doing this, but we're here at the mechanics. We just came. We were literally about to enter into the doctor's place, and then his dad called them. They already sent us the results, so we went to reel for nothing. But we
Other
got
than food.
Oh yeah, we basically went for burgers, but they were good. They hit the spot. What do you think, Junior? Yeah, so let's wait for my friend to come out. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Like that video. Look at this dude. Look at him, guys. He's ready to race.
No.
Look at him. Balling with some nice shoes and
They're dirty as fuck. What you be nice?
What are those? Look at that, guys.
Their shoes.
It's gonna kind of look like this, but
Except tight.
not so weird on him. So the mechanic's gonna take a shower and then he'll be out. So yeah. If you guys are from the area, if you're from the area and you need a mechanic that you can trust that will not do you wrong, look at that nice truck, man. You hit up that number. You hit him up right there. Hit him up. I guarantee you, he will not leave you wrong. It's a really good mechanic. Oh, it'd be like, if this was a daddy, this would be the son.
Did you actually have that?
Yeah, I'm still. Yeah. Okay, guys. So right now we're gonna try to figure out this one. What we gotta do. I'll show you after it's put on, and in the next seat, I'll show you what we're doing. So let's get this one on. We gotta know what we're doing first. Get the hang of it, and then you guys will see how we put the second one in. Right, Junior. Right. Well, guys, he didn't have the socket we needed, so we'll be back tomorrow in the morning. We'll bring his dad's tools, and we'll get the seats out, but they're gonna fit. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. What's up, guys? We just woke up. Hopefully you don't smell their bad breath. We're gonna go get food, and then we'll meet you guys over there at the mechanics. Look at this, guys. It's like if we're in the movie The Mist, just waiting for a damn octopus to pop out of nowhere. Just to get us out of nowhere. The fog or mist, whatever the hell, it's thick as hell, guys. We don't even know where we're going, guys. Look, it's like an endless road. Okay, guys, so we put it in. He just needs to fold it up, this back part, so we can bolt it on, but it actually looks good. Except this thing right here does not look good on there, but
Motherfucker.
so we got the second seat. What the hell are you doing? Guys, should I be mean to him?
Don't you fucking dare.
Okay, we already got that seat in. Put it on here so they can see.
Fuck! Alright, I dropped like 2 nuts, bro.
You dropped what? You dropped two. You dropped two. He dropped 2 nuts. Okay, just put him on right here. Put him on. Okay, look, guys. That's how it looks right there. Let's get this one on, and I'll explain to you guys what we did. That looks good. Okay, guys. So we got the seats on. Ready to race. Right now, in a bit, we'll show you how they look. We'll show you exactly what they had to do, but they look pretty dope. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over this. I cannot get over how badass this looks. So yeah, we're going right around there for 10-15 minutes, and they fit pretty good. They feel nice. I feel badass. So they fit good, no problems. At first, when we put them on, we had bolted them to the very bottom. Okay, so the first ones, of course, when you put them on, I need to buy this plastic to cover it. But the small ones go here. The ones for the waist, you remove the seatbelt thing, this thing. You remove this, and where this tornillo, the screw where that one goes in, you put that one in there. And then for the bag, let me see. We were gonna put them here on both sides, but it wasn't long enough, so it would be like up here instead of down here. So I can't recline the seat because I need to get the handles. But you can see from right here, we basically bolted them on to this thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. Bolted it on there, and that's temporary though. When I get more money, I'm gonna buy like a piece of metal. He told me to get some metal so he can like have like an L right here, and we can bolt them onto the seat so it can be safer. So that isn't really safe, so don't do that. But it turned out real badass. It looks real nice, feels nice, except the last owner, he like wore it down, so it has like a indent in there, ripped. Nothing compared to that seat. I'm gonna get rid of these. What? Just move, we're gonna tell. So this thing had some sort of like heater juice in there. So every time somebody sits in there, heater juice to make it fresh, it started leaking out. But this one is way more like puffy and like new compared to that one. But that's fine. That one feels already adjusted to me, because that dude was big also. But basically it. So if you guys want to do this, these seat belts are not gonna be long enough, but they're 47 bucks. So I'll put, if you guys want them, comment down the link and I'll put it. But that's basically it for this. I actually wasted a lot of money. Excuse me, sir.
No.
Move out of the damn frame. So that's basically how they look. It makes the truck look way nicer. It makes the truck feel more comfy, more, I don't know how to explain, more home-like, because it's more like closed in a little bit. They fit in nicely. So that plastic in the back, I'll get that put on once I get the metal to put the L back there for the seats. So I'll probably clean it up a bit, and then later on, maybe a couple months from now, I'll get the center console to completely finish the look. And also I'm probably gonna change this material up here to something else, a different color, maybe black, but we'll see, guys. So basically it. If you guys enjoyed this, leave a like, comment, turn on that bell if you ever want to be notified of when I put something. But that's basically it, guys. I appreciate all the support. Every one of you guys has been a blessing to me. All the comments, even the haters, it's fine, I forgive you. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.